Today we are going to be covering double stamping hack that you have never tried. So can you see the designs that I selected and how it all works together? So again, you don't have to do this technique with a specific plate or design. The trick is that we want to get these large solid etch spaces filled with some sort of pattern. So it could be anything, like if you wanted to use this pattern you could, or this pattern you could. However, I recommend if you're gonna do this double stamping trick, try selecting patterns that are tighter, that have maybe less space in between them. So even something like this would work out. A design like this would look great. I wouldn't recommend something like this because it just has a little bit too much space. So again, fuller prints that are a bit closer together, less space, you don't want too much negative space. So I wouldn't recommend something like that.